Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how we can rearrange your home screen in the OnePlus 11. So we start from the opening the menu of your home screen. To do it, just hold the finger on the empty place on your home screen, and how you can see there we have a few options. We start from the transition. If you want to change the transition between the screens, just click here, like this one, and click apply. And how you can see, now you have a new screen transition. After that you can go to the more, and if you want to adjust the amount of the apps in the row and column, just go to the layout and choose your favorite one. After that you can also try to change your icons. Just open the icons, click allow 2 times, and you can see that we have a few options to edit. You can change the size of your icons. This is already designs. You can go to custom and make your own one. There's a shape of the icons. You can change the size like before here. You can change the wallpaper's design from a wallpaper. You can also turn off the app names. But if you want to stay with the names of the apps, you can change the size of the text under the icons. And that's it. If you're ready, click apply. And that's it. How you can see that we have a new shape and size of the icons. If you want to add a widget, go to the widgets and choose your desired one holding it and choose a place for this widget on your home screen. If you're ready, click done. If you want to resize it, just hold the finger on any widget and use that little edge to change the size of the widget. And the last one, if you want to make a folder, just hold it up and drop into another. It's helpful to organize your home screen. If you want to change the name of the folder, just open it and click here. If you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the apps to the home screen back. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.